This next trick is called stop and throw. From start to finish, it looks like this. One thing that's really important when performing this trick is that you want to throw your yo-yo with medium speed. Otherwise, if you throw too fast, the string might catch onto the yo-yo and other parts and it'll get tangled. Using your non-throw hand, toss your yo-yo up so that it's right at about eye level, and this will give your yo-yo lots of hang time so that your string has enough time to whip around and capture your yo-yo. As your yo-yo reaches its peak, motion your throw hand across your body to create the whip that will actually capture the yo-yo. It's easiest to perform this trick with your hands really close to each other. So that way, you have a better chance to aim the string in the yo-yo, and this also gives you plenty of string to bind with. Basically, you're pinching the bind that is mounted in a trapeze. Here's what the bind would look like if you didn't do the pinch. But with this pinch, we prevent the bind from happening, landing it in the trapeze and creating the slack that we need for the rest of the trick. The string you're whipping is going to wrap itself around the yo-yo. So you're going to intersect the string with your non-throw hand index finger between your throw hand and the loop of the slack you've created, almost in a bit of a chopping motion. As the yo-yo is landing in a trapeze, you're going to use your non-throw hand index finger. You can also add your thumb if you think it makes it easier to pinch the string and prevent your yo-yo from dropping and binding. The loop that rotates into your yo-yo gap and over the top will naturally move toward your non-throw hand side of your body. So you're going to rest it on top of your non-throw hand while your yo-yo is mounted in the trapeze. When doing this trick, I like to use my knees a bit to cushion the momentum of the yo-yo so it doesn't bind early. And then I gently hop the yo-yo straight up in the air, and this causes the slack resting on your hand to bind the yo-yo and land on the string. Use your non-throw hand to try to kill the speed and momentum of your yo-yo while it's binding, and it's okay if it touches your hand a little bit while it does that. After the bind, dismount your yo-yo by flicking your non-throw hand, pushing the yo-yo away from your body. This will cause you to have a front style spin throw now, and you can bind however you would like. If your yo-yo is spinning too fast, it can cause a messy bind and your yo-yo could knot up, or it won't just dismount at all. Waiting too long, or if your yo-yo is spinning too fast, could cause a string injection and you won't be able to perform a clean bind that way. This transition scores great and gives you tons of options for variations. Altogether, it looks like this. And that is the stop and throw.